Okay, so we're gonna start off with her $65. And she's paying 9.50% tax, so we're gonna have to change that percent into a decimal. So we're gonna move it 2 spaces to the left, so it becomes 0.095. So we're gonna have to multiply the 0.095 times the 65, and then we add it to the original because this is just the extra that she pays in tax. So I'm gonna put that in the calculator. I'm gonna let you guys calculate that too and double check. And we have, let's see, 71.18 after we round it because it was 71.175. So that 5 rounds that one up. So that's how much she spends after tax. But then we have to consider the tip on top of that. So the tip is gonna be 21%, or excuse me, 20%. So we're gonna have 71.18 times 0.20. But then we have to add that again to the 71.18, and that is going to give her $85.41. That's how much she spends each time. Now what I'm going to do, just to double check that you guys have watched the video and followed along with the correct way to do these answers, is I'm going to have you then calculate the next part, and you're going to fill out a Google Doc to fill in your answers. Sorry, I don't know if you hear that super loud helicopter going over my house right now. Okay, anyway, so we've got 6 weeks, and she does this once every 2 weeks, which means in 6 weeks, she's going to do that 3 times. So what I want you to do now is I want you to calculate this part. So this is going to be the final answer. Every time she gets her nails done, she spends $85.41. She's going to do that 3 times in the next 6 weeks. And I want you to calculate that. You're going to fill out the answer in the Google Doc that I post. All right, let me move on to the next one. All right, so she's also finding that she's not driving to work anymore. So we're looking at $3.25 per gallon of gas. She's got a 15-gallon tank. So every time she fills up, it's going to be $3.25 times 15, which is going to be $40.75. But she does that every single week. And for 6 weeks, she's not going to be doing that, which means we're going to multiply that by 6. And then once again, I just want you to multiply that last one. Get me the answer. You'll fill that out on the Google Doc. So then, let me double check that you can see this. Okay, so then our last one, we're looking at $2.45 for every cup of coffee. But she does have to pay that 9.5% tax. So again, we're gonna change that 9.5%, move it over twice. And so we're gonna multiply that by 0.095. And again, you've got to add the original price because this is just going to be what she spends on the tax. And so let me multiply that out. We've got 2.45 times 0.095. Oops. All right, and so that is going to be 2.68, so $2.68 per cup of coffee. But notice she does do this 3 times a week. So we're going to multiply that by 3. And that's going to end up being $8.05 on my calculator. This is what it actually says. So we're going to have to round that 4 up to a 5. So this is what she's spending every single week, 3 times a week. And she's going to do that or she's not going to do that for 6 weeks. And so you're going to multiply that by 6. But I want you guys to come up with that answer. And then you'll get these 3. And that'll be the last thing that you answer on the Google Doc, just to make sure that you watch the video and that you understand how to do the problem. And you guys are going to notice that she's going to save quite a bit of money. You're also going to notice that Miss Gunderson did not get her nails done. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.